The Blocktrader widget provides you the ability to submit options in futures block trades and over-the-counter or OTC trades to exchanges for reporting and clearing purposes. You can use the widget to submit transactions for multiple accounts and counterparties, and can select a counterparty and account for each side of the trade and submit both trades at once. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Blocktrader widget to configure an over-the-counter transaction and then submit this over-the-counter transaction to the exchange. Let's say we want to report a block trade for 200 LNQ call options and 200 LNQ put options. We start by selecting an exchange and transaction type. We'll select NFX as the exchange, and we use block as the default trade type. Next, we configure the trade in the leg definition grid. Using the instrument picker, we can search for a product or select a product and product type for each leg. For the first leg, we'll select the LNQ call option contract with an August 17 expiry and choose a strike price of $3.15. We'll select B to set our side as buy and enter a quantity of 200 for the leg. Were this a single leg block, we could just set the price in the price selector. But since we are entering a second leg, we will check the price per leg checkbox and set our price for the first leg as 0.06. We click plus to add the second leg to sell 200 LNQ put options contract with the same expiry and strike. Our price for our second leg is 0.18. When submitting a block trade, we use the deal time field to set the time of the transaction. We click the deal time field to enter the time the trade occurred, or we can click the reset button to return the value to the current time. Now, we'll select a counterparty for each side of the transaction. We use the drop-down arrows in the counterparty fields to select the appropriate buy and sell accounts. We click in the side column to identify which counterparty is the buyer or seller. Next, we click the TT account for routing selector and select an account from the list which has been set up with connections to the NFX exchange and assigned to us by our administrator. Now, we click Submit to send the block trade to the exchange and review the order in the confirmation screen. Blocktrader prompts us to confirm orders by default. If you wish, you can uncheck the Confirm Order checkbox on the Blocktrader widget to disable order confirmations. We can review the block trade in the confirmation window, and if no other changes are needed, click Submit. The transaction has now been reported to the exchange. As you can see, TT makes it easy to submit block trades and over-the-counter trades for options and futures. For more information, visit our website at tradingtechnologies.com.